Science half-yearly revision chapter 1 to 11 and 14. Fill in the blanks. Joint of the bones help in the dash of the body, movement of the body. A combination of bones and cartilages forms the dash of the body, skeleton of the body. The bones at the elbow are joined by a dash joint, hinge. The contraction of the dash pulls the bones during movements, muscles. The process of changing of water into its vapor is called evaporation. The process of changing water vapor into water is called condensation. No rainfall for a year or more may lead to dash in that region, drought. Excessive rain may cause flood. Tiger is a dash because he eats only meat, carnivore. Deer eats only plants product and so is called herbivores. Parrots eats only dash products, plant products. The dash that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats, is an animal product, milk. We get sugar from sugar cane. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D, rickets. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi, vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food, vitamin A. Plants fiber are obtained from dash and dash. Cotton plant, jute plant. Animals fiber are dash and dash, silk and wool. The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalk is called threshing. When milk cooled after boiling, poured onto a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is example of dash, filtration. Salt is obtained from seawater by a process of evaporation. Impurities settled at the bottom. When muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket, the clear water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called decantation. The presence of specific features which enable a plant or an animal to live in particular habitat is called adaptation. The habitat of the plant and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitat. The habitat of the plant and animals that live in land are called dash habitat, terrestrial habitat. Soil, water, air are the dash factor of a habitat, abiotic. Changes in our surrounding that makes us respond to them are called stimuli. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 5 kilometer is 5000 meter. Motion of a child on a swing is dash, pediatric. Motion of the needle of a sewing machine is pediatric motion. Motion of a wheel of the bicycle is circular motion. True or false? By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutrients requirement of our body? False. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet? True. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items? True. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body? False. Yarn is made from fibers? True. Spinning is a process of making fibers? False. Jute is outer covering of coconut? False. The process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning? True. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric? True. Silk fiber is obtained from stem of a plant? False. Polyester is a natural fiber? False. Stone is transparent while glass is opaque? False. A notebook has luster while eraser does not? False. Chalk dissolve in water? False. A piece of wood float on water? True. Sugar does not dissolve in water? False. Oil mixes with water? False. Sand settles down in water? True. Vinegar dissolve in water? True. A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration? False. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can separate by the process of winnowing? False. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration? False. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. True. Water vapor is present in air only during the monsoon. False. Water evaporates into air from ocean, rivers, lakes, but not from the soil. False. The process of water changing into the vapor is called evaporation. True. Evaporation of water takes place only in sunlight. True. Water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water in the upper layers of air where it's cooler. True. The movement of locomotion of all animals is exactly the same. False. The cartilages are harder than bones. False. The finger bones do not have joint. False. The forearm has two bones. True. Cockroaches have an outer skeleton. True. Match the following. Upper jaw. In an immovable joint, fish have a streamline and have fins on the body. Ribs protect the heart. Snail has an outer skeleton and shows very slow movement. Cockroach has outer skeleton and can fly in the air. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee all are animal products. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Lions and tiger eat other animals. Herbivores eat plants and plants products. Book, paper, tumbler, glass, chair, wood, toy, plastic, swoosh, leather. State for each of the following whether it's due to evaporation and condensation. Water drops appear on an outer surface of a glass containing cold water. Condensation. Steam rising from wet cloths while they are ironed. Evaporation. Fog appearing on a cold winter morning. Condensation. Blackboard dries up after wiping it. Evaporation. Stream rising from a hot griddle when water is sprinkled on it. Evaporation. To walk through the waterlogged area, you usually shorten the length of your dress by folding it. Can this change be reversed? Yes, can be reversed. You accidentally dropped your favorite toy and broke it. This is a change you did not want. Can this change be reversed? No, this change cannot be reversed. Some changes are listed below. The following table. For each change, write in the blank column whether the change can be reversed or not. The sawing of a piece of wood can be reversed? No. The melting of ice candy can be reversed? Yes. Dissolving sugar in water can be reversed? Yes. The cooking of food can be reversed? No. The ripening of mango can be reversed? No. Storing of milk can be reversed? No. A drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you reverse these changes? Yes. When we used pencil, changes can be reversed. But use pen, we cannot changes reversed. Give example to explain the difference between changes can or cannot be reversed. Changes that can be reversed. Example, melting of ice, writing with a pencil. Cannot be reversed. Example, cooking of food, burning of paper. A thick coating of a paste of plaster of Paris (BOP) is applied over the bandage on the fracture bone. It becomes hard on drying to keep the fracture bone immobilized. Can the changes is BOP be reversed? No, changes cannot be reversed. A bag of cement lying in the open get wet due to rain during the night. The next day, the sun shines brightly. Do you think the changes which have occurred in the cement could be reversed? No, the changes cannot be reversed. Correct the following statements and rewrite them in your notebook. Stem absorb water and minerals from the soil. No. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Leaves hold the plant upright. No. Stem hold the plant upright. Root conducts water to the leaves. Stem conducts water to the leaves. The number of petals and stamens in a flower is always equal. The number of petals and stamens in a flower is may not be always equal. May not be always equal. If the sepals of a flower are joined together, then the pistil is joined to the petal. No. If the petal of the flower are joined together, then the pistil is joined to the petal. Yes. Which of the following leaves have reticulate venation? Wheat, tulsi, maize, grass, coriander, dhania, China rose. Answer: tulsi, coriander, dhania, China rose. If a plant has fiber roots, what type of venation do its leaves have? Parallel venation. If a plant have leaves with reticulate venation, what kind of roots will it have? Tape roots. What are the parts of the flower? Petals, sepals, stamens, pistils, and anther. From the following plants, which of them have flowers? Grass, maize, wheat, chilies, tomatoes, tulsi, pepper, sesame, banyan, mango, jamun, guava, pomegranate, papaya, banana, lemon, sugarcane, potato, groundnuts. Answer: chili, tomato, tulsi, mango, jamun, guava, pomegranate, papaya, banana, lemon. Name the part of plant which produce food. Name the process. Leaves produce food. Process is photosynthesis. In which part of flower you will find the ovary? Pistil. Name two plants which one has joined sepals and the other has separate sepals. Joined sepals, separate sepals. Example: hibiscus, datura. Separate sepals: rose, jasmine. Name the following: the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Carbohydrates. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Proteins. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. Vitamin A. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Calcium. Name two foods rich fat. Fats: nuts, milk. Starch: cereal, mango. Dietary fiber: pulses, fruits. Protein: soya bean, meat. Find, add or not. Chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. Baby. Rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus, boat. Aluminum, iron, copper, silver, sand. Sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Classify the following fibers are natural or synthetic. Nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester, jute. Natural fiber: wool, cotton, silk, jute. Synthetic fiber: nylon, polyester. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. Table, chair, door, almirah, window. Select this object from the following which sign? Glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton set. Answer: glass bowl, steel spoon. Given below the names of objects and minerals: water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple, and ether pitcher. Round shape, other shape, eatable and non-eatable. Round shape is basketball, orange, globe, apple. Other shape, water, sugar. Eatable: water, orange, sugar, apple. Non-eatable: basketball, globe, ether pitcher. Arrange following lengths in their unnecessary magnitude. Increasing magnitude: 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1 millimeter. Answer is 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, 1 kilometer. Which of the things in the following list are non-living? Plug, mushroom, shaving machine, radio, boat, water hyacinth, earthworm. Answer is plug, shaving machine, radio, boat. Give example of non-living things which shows on 2 characteristics of living things. Car can move, it need oxygen. Which of non-living things listed below were once part of a living thing? Butter, leather, soil, wool, electric bulb, cooking oil, salt, apple, rubber. Answer is butter, leather, wool, cooking oil, apple, rubber. Thank you.